Choosing a job. What kind of job to do? Choosing a job depends on your interests, skills, and goals. Consider what you're passionate about and what you excel at. Research different careers, talk to people in those fields, and explore education or training opportunities. It's important to find a job that aligns with your strengths and values. If you have any specific interests or skills you'd like to discuss, feel free to share, and I can provide more targeted advice. Welcome to AXU.ComOfficial. Here's a more detailed exploration of this important decision. Choosing the right career path is a significant decision that can have a profound impact on your life. It's essential to consider several factors when deciding what kind of job to pursue. Here are some key steps and considerations to help you make an informed decision. Self-assessment. Start by understanding yourself. What are your interests, passions, and values? What are your strengths and weaknesses? Reflect on your skills, personality, and what makes you happy. Set goals. Define your short-term and long-term career goals. Where do you see yourself in 5, 10, or 20 years? Having clear objectives will guide your career choices. Research and exploration. Explore different industries and professions. Conduct in-depth research to learn about the job market, employment trends, and potential career paths. Attend job fairs, seminars, and workshops to gain insights. Education and training. Consider the education and training required for your desired career. Some jobs may require specific degrees or certifications. Evaluate your willingness to invest in further education. Skills development. Identify the skills necessary for your chosen career and work on developing them. Continuous learning and skill enhancement are crucial in today's ever-changing job market. Networking. Build a professional network by connecting with individuals in your desired field. Attend networking events. Join relevant online communities and seek mentorship from experienced professionals. Work-life balance. Consider your work-life balance preferences. Some careers demand long hours and extensive travel, while others offer more flexibility. Find a balance that suits your lifestyle. Financial considerations. Assess the financial aspects of your career choice. Consider factors like salary, job security, and potential for growth. Make a budget to understand how your income will support your lifestyle and financial goals. Industry trends. Stay updated on industry trends and future prospects. Some industries are growing rapidly, while others may be declining. Being aware of these trends can help you make informed decisions. Trial and error. Don't be afraid to try out different jobs or internships. Sometimes, hands-on experience can clarify whether a particular career is the right fit for you. Seek guidance. Consult with career counselors, mentors, and trusted individuals who can provide valuable advice and insights. They can help you navigate your career choices. Adaptability. Be open to change and adaptation. The job market is constantly evolving, and being flexible and open to new opportunities can lead to a fulfilling career. Evaluate personal growth. Consider how a specific career can contribute to your personal growth. Some jobs may offer opportunities for leadership, innovation, or creativity that align with your aspirations. Balance passion and practicality. Striking a balance between pursuing your passions and meeting practical needs is essential. You may be passionate about a certain field, but it's also crucial to ensure it can provide the financial stability you require. Embrace lifelong learning. Recognize that learning doesn't end with your formal education. Lifelong learning is key to staying competitive in the job market. Be prepared to adapt and acquire new skills throughout your career. Volunteer and intern. Volunteering and interning can be valuable experiences that help you gain exposure to different careers. They provide insights into real-world job responsibilities and help you build your resume. Consider entrepreneurship. If you have a strong desire for independence and innovation, entrepreneurship might be a viable option. Starting your own business can be challenging but rewarding. Seek fulfillment. Ultimately, the goal should be to find a job that brings you a sense of fulfillment and purpose. Your work should be more than just a paycheck, it should contribute to your overall well-being and happiness. Monitor your progress. After you've chosen a career, periodically assess your progress and job satisfaction. If you find yourself unhappy or unfulfilled, it might be time to consider a change or seek new opportunities. Remember life outside of work. While your career is important, don't forget to maintain a well-rounded life. Family, friends, hobbies, and personal interests are all integral to your overall happiness. Seek professional development. Invest in professional development opportunities, such as workshops, seminars, and certifications, to stay competitive in your chosen field and advance in your career. Be patient. Success in your chosen career may take time. Be patient and persistent, as career paths can be full of ups and downs. Trust the process and stay committed to your goals. Seek happiness. Ultimately, the most rewarding career is one that brings you happiness and a sense of accomplishment. Strive for a job that not only pays the bills but also adds value and meaning to your life. Balance risk and reward. Evaluate the risk and reward associated with your career choices. Some careers may offer high financial rewards, but come with higher stress and uncertainty, while others might provide stability but at a moderate income level. Embrace passion projects. Consider whether there are any passion projects or hobbies that you can turn into a career. Sometimes, aligning your work with your interests can lead to a more satisfying and enjoyable professional life. Seek work-life integration. In today's interconnected world, work-life integration is becoming increasingly important. Look for employers or roles that support this, allowing you to blend your personal and professional life effectively. Learn from mistakes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes or change course if your initial career choice doesn't work out. These experiences can provide valuable lessons and help you refine your path. Embrace technology. Stay tech-savvy and open to technological advancements. Many industries are evolving due to digital transformation, and being adaptable with technology can open up new career opportunities. Cultural fit. Consider whether the culture of a potential workplace aligns with your values and work style. A harmonious cultural fit can significantly impact your job satisfaction. Seek feedback. Seek feedback from colleagues, supervisors, and mentors to help you understand your strengths and areas for improvement. Constructive feedback can guide your career development. Continuous self-reflection. Regularly engage in self-reflection to ensure your career remains aligned with your evolving goals and aspirations. Life changes, and your career should change with it. Financial planning. Develop a financial plan that takes into account your career choices. Create an emergency fund, save for retirement, and consider investment options to secure your financial future. Remember your why. In moments of doubt or difficulty in your career, remind yourself why you chose that path in the first place. Reconnecting with your original motivations can provide the inspiration to persevere. Consult a career coach. If you're struggling to make a decision, consider consulting a career coach. They can provide expert guidance, help you set goals, and assist in developing a personalized career plan. Give back. As your career progresses, consider how you can give back to your community or industry, whether through mentoring, volunteering, or philanthropy. Contributing to others can be immensely rewarding. Ultimately, choosing the right job is a process that involves careful consideration, self-awareness, and adaptability. Your career should be a source of personal fulfillment and growth. Remember that it's never too late to explore new opportunities, and your career can evolve as you evolve. Keep learning, stay open to change, and prioritize your own happiness and well-being throughout your professional journey.